Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2490 circular sentence, and a sentence is a list of words that is separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. For example, why even am I explaining that what a sentence is? Let's understand what a circular sentence is. That the last character of the word is equal to the first character of the next word, and the last character of the last word is equal to the first character of the first word. For example, LeetCode exercises sound delightful, eCode, code, okay, lead code, its soul are all circular sentences. However, lead code is cool. Happy lead code, and I like lead code are not circular sentences. Why? Because I'll tell you, these two characters are same. These two characters are same. This sound and delightful, the first and last character are same, and delightful and lead code's first and last characters are same. So that's why these are circular. So just we have to tell that if a sentence is circular or not. Okay, then what we'll be doing is we'll be having we don't need much. Okay, so for int I equal to 0, I less than sentence dot sorry, sentence dot length I plus plus, and then we'll be checking that if sentence dot char at I is equal to space. We don't need to check it for like 0th and last indexes, because it's obvious that no space would be present at either the last index or the 0th index. Okay, so then we'll be checking that if sentence dot char at I minus 1 is not equal to sentence dot char at I plus 1. In this case, we'll have to return false. Otherwise, what we'll be doing is we'll be returning that sentence dot char at 0 should be equal to sentence dot char at sentence dot length minus 1. Okay, now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.